Before we begin, here is a quick question for you. On average, how much time do people lose every year just looking for misplaced item in a cluttered home? A. 10 hours, B. 55 hours, C. 150 hours. Stick around until the end to find out the answer. Do you ever feel like your home is overflowing with stuff you don't even need? You're not alone. Clutter can take over our spaces and even our minds. But don't worry, today we're diving into practical tips to declutter your home. But what is clutter? Clutter is anything that fills up your space in an untidy, disorganized way. And let's be honest, we've all been there. But there's the thing, clutter isn't just a mess on your shelves. It can actually drain your energy and affect your mental health. Why clutter affects us? Our brains have to work overtime when they're surrounded by clutter, constantly processing the chaos. No wonder it leaves us exhausted. But here's the good news. When you clear out the things that no longer serve you, you feel uplifted, lighter, happier, and more positive. How to declutter without stress? Now, decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is to go slowly but surely. One drawer, one cupboard, one shelf at a time. Don't go in with too much energy and enthusiasm, because after a few hours, you'll realize you've probably bitten off more than you can chew. Start small, stay consistent, and the result will last forever. Remember my question at the start? On average, how much time do people lose every year just looking for misplaced item in a cluttered home? The answer is 55 hours. That's more than 2 entire days wasted just searching for things. And you know what that means? It's a bad news. So practical tips you can start today. Here are some simple but powerful strategies you can use right away. Number 1. The 1-year rule. If you haven't used it in the past year, chances are you don't need it. Number 2. 1 in, 1 out. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to letting go of one old item. Number 3. Create a maybe box. If you're unsure about something, put it in a box, tape it shut, and write today's date. If you don't open it within 6 months, you probably didn't need it. Number 4. Declutter by category. Instead of room by room, try focusing on categories like clothes, books, or kitchen gadgets. This helps you see just how much you own. Number 5. Start with easy wins. Clear surfaces first. A clean desk, dining table, or nightstand can instantly make your home feel more peaceful.